Welcome back. A fresh language row has erupted in Maharashtra from May 1st, which is in another 6 days. Auto and taxi drivers in the state may be required to speak Marathi. The government has rolled out a new rule making Marathi compulsory for the cab and auto drivers there. Read, write and speak. Drivers will they will be tested on these three rules. The rule will kick in on the Maharashtra Day, that is May 1st. Taking a constructive approach to this, the Maharashtra Chief Minister has announced that auto and taxi driver who do not understand Marathi will be provided with the language training. So the government is offering free language training, but the fear of permit cancellation action has now triggered a political flashpoint. Listen in.
जो हमारे यहाँ पर ऑटो चालक है या जो टैक्सी चालक है, इनमें से जिनको मराठी नहीं आता उनको हम मराठी सिखाएंगे, क्योंकि देश में जोर जबरदस्ती करके किसी प्रकार से भाषा के नाम पर हिंसा करना ये हमको मंजूर नहीं है।
अमित ठाकरे एक युवा नेता हैं, वो क्यों दादागिरी करते हैं? मराठी भाषा, मराठी अस्मिता, मराठी अभिमान हमारे लिए सर्वप्रथम है, लेकिन इसका मतलब नहीं है कि आप लोगों को जाके मारे पीटे और अपनी दादागिरी करें।
मुझे लगता है कि संजय राउत जी की जो बात है, बात सही है कि भाई उनका कहना है कि भाई अगर महाराष्ट्र में रहना है तो मराठी आना चाहिए, तो महाराष्ट्र में रहना है तो मराठी आना चाहिए, सही है। लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उनको लालसन नहीं देगी, उनको मराठी सीखने का मौका दे देना चाहिए, उनको सिखाना चाहिए।
Now the politics has started over the new rules. Senior Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Nirupam has weighed in on the protests in the state. He said that the party has no issue with the intent but strongly opposed the threats of permit cancellation for the drivers who do not yet know the language. He said that they are not against learning Marathi, but it should not be made compulsory in the state. Listen in to what he said.
पूरे महाराष्ट्र का एजेंडा है कि महाराष्ट्र में मराठी भाषा का सम्मान होना चाहिए। हमारा मुद्दा सिर्फ इतना है कि ऑटो चलाने वाले, टैक्सी चलाने वाले गरीब लोगों से आप बिल्कुल आग्रह रखिए कि आप मराठी में संवाद करिए, लेकिन जिनको मराठी नहीं आती उनको थोड़ा मौका मिलना चाहिए कि सीख लें। वो बेसिक मुद्दा सही है, कोई इस पर ऐतराज नहीं है, लेकिन परमिट रद्द करने की जो धमकी आ रही है ना, उससे लोगों के सामने रोजी रोटी का संकट पैदा हो सकता है। वो मत करिए, इसके ऊपर पुनर्विचार करिए, यही तो हमने सरकार से बोला है।
Well, even as the controversy has intensified, Shiv Sena UBT has come out in support of the new rule. Senior leader Sanjay Raut has backed the push to make Marathi essential for the drivers in the state. He has defended the move as necessary step to protect the language in the state and identity of Maharashtra. Here's what he said.
महाराष्ट्र में अगर मराठी भाषा अनिवार्य की है, उसमें गलत क्या है? ये कोई चर्चा का विषय है? तमिलनाडु में चलेगा? तमिलनाडु में तमिल भाषा अनिवार्य होनी ही चाहिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में बंगाली होनी चाहिए, लखनऊ में हिंदी होनी चाहिए, पटना में हिंदी होनी चाहिए। हम जब दिल्ली में जाते हैं तो हिंदी में बात करते हैं, पार्लियामेंट में हिंदी में बात करते, उसमें क्या है? हमारे स्टेट में, इस राज्य में, महाराष्ट्र में मराठी भाषा अनिवार्य करने का अगर कानून बना है तो उसका पालन सबने करना चाहिए।
And now a fresh language row has erupted in the state of Maharashtra from May 1st, which is in another 6 to 7 days. Auto and taxi drivers in the state may be required to speak the Marathi language, is what we are learning. So that has now led to a controversy there. But as you heard, Shiv Sena UBT has come out in the support of the new rule. Politics has started over this entire matter. Let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who's been tracking all the details. Arunil, a fresh language row has erupted in Maharashtra. Auto drivers, cab drivers will have to speak in Marathi starting May 1st, which is the day on which there is Maharashtra Day as well. Take us to what the political parties are saying, because we can see on the screen that the protest there, the politics has already started.
Well, certainly, yes. A very significant decision being taken by the Maharashtra government. Now, whether it will stand in court, that is also is something to look out for, because there is a previous order by the Honorable High Court wherein language compulsions cannot be imposed on auto rickshaw drivers or on taxi drivers as well. CM Devendra Fadnavis has reacted to it, basically saying that those auto rickshaw drivers who can't speak Marathi, they will be taught Marathi. They will be asked to speak in Marathi and write in Marathi as well. But we will not accept anybody doing violence in the name of religion. A political row certainly has also escalated. Yesterday we saw Sanjay Nirupam, a leader from Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, who's been championing the cause of the North Indian migrant community in the city of Mumbai. He met auto rickshaw drivers yesterday in Dahisar. That is basically the border, north border of Mumbai. That is where MNS Karyakartas also reached over there, and a kind of a tension was being seen. In fact, Sanjay Nirupam's car tire was also deflated by the MNS party workers.
Absolutely. So it remains to be seen whether this new rule will stand the legal test or not. We'll keep an eye on that. Thanks so much, Arinil, for getting us all those details. With this, a very short break.